Have you ever looked up at the moon and wondered how it got there? The story of our moon began over 4.5 billion years ago, in a time when the solar system was wild and chaotic. Today, we're going to explore how a huge crash in space led to the birth of our moon. Long ago, Earth was very different. It was still forming, and space was full of rocky bodies flying around. One of these, about the size of Mars, was heading straight for Earth. Scientists call this body Theia. When Theia slammed into Earth, the impact was so powerful that it melted both planets. Huge chunks of rock and gas were thrown into space, creating a ring of debris around Earth. But instead of drifting away, this debris began to come together. Over millions of years, gravity pulled the debris into a giant ball, and that ball became our moon. Slowly but surely, the moon took shape, becoming the bright round satellite we see today. The moon didn't just light up the night sky, it played a big role in shaping our planet. It helped keep Earth steady, giving us seasons, and it created the tides that made life possible. The moon has been our companion ever since, influencing everything from ocean waves to the evolution of life. For billions of years, the moon has been circling Earth, watching over our planet's history. Its surface, full of craters, tells the story of ancient impacts and the violent past of our solar system. Even though it's close, the moon still holds many mysteries and continues to inspire us. The birth of our moon was a cosmic accident that changed Earth forever. It's more than just a rock in space. It's a reminder of our planet's ancient history and the powerful forces that shaped our world. Next time you see the moon, remember the incredible journey it took to get there. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing stories from the universe.